Hi guys, this is Niranjan Subramanya Hegde from Jiva Shastra Abhyasa. So today I am launching new kind of sets of videos. So I am launching. Before I am going into that particular aspect, so this is my profile. What you are looking at. So here is my profile. So I am a first ranker and a gold medalist in MSc Wildlife Management and MSc, and I have done another MSc. So that is MSc in Botany, and I am a lecturer in biology at Anjuman PU College, Bhatkal. So I am starting a new series of NEET previous year questions. So this is the first part which I am taking. So if you haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please share it so that everyone can assess it, so everyone can know about it, and let them tell you you people, let them tell that. So please subscribe this channel. This is if you like the videos. Okay, this is what I'm doing. So today we will learn the previous year questions from one by one. Okay, first we will take up the first chapter, that is reproduction in organisms. So my video series of syllabus video series is uploaded in my channel, that is Jiva Shastra Abhyasa itself. So चैनल में है, ये सभी चैनल में है. So आप चाहिए तो उसको पहले देख के उसके बाद ये इस पर आ सकते हो. So मैं इधर क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं कितना चैप्टर होता है उधर, सो उसके हिसाब से मैं इधर भी करता जाता हूँ. सो एवरीथिंग इज completely followed in a stepwise manner. Okay, so here we are solving today only four videos. I am 4 questions we are solving. So let's see quickly. First, which one of the following statement is not true? So ये नीट का 2007 का पेपर में 2016 का पेपर में आया था. So which one of the following statement is not true? So इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. सो चारों ऑप्शंस देखते जाते हैं. ऑफस्प्रिंग्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन आर कॉल्ड क्लोन्स. सो हमें क्या देखना है? सो वी हैव टू look into the particularly we have to look into the abbreviation of the questions, that the उसमें लैंग्वेज में ही है, which is not true. We have to look into offsprings produced by the asexual reproduction are called clones. Yes, absolutely, they are called as clones, right? They are absolutely called as clones. So we can see here, so they are actually called as clones because they share a genetic material of their parents, exact genetic material of the parents. Okay, then next, coming to this particular thing, microscopic motile asexual reproductive structures are called zoospores. So zoospores are for example, if you take volvox, so they live in colony, right? So I am taking only one individual which looks like this. So you can see here, so they have the two what flagella. They are having two flagella. So that or it is also called as cilia. So which helps in the motility. So that's why. So this particular volvox produces different kind. They produces zoospores. Okay, they produces what? Zoospores. So all the zoospores which are found in this particular volvox is motile. So that's why we can consider almost all of them will be the motile one. In potato, banana and ginger, the plantlets arise from the internodes present in a modified stem. Okay, so आपको सभी लोगों को पता है that you all people know that if we take a stem, so it has been divided into several number of types, right? आप गन्ने में देख सकते हो, शुगर केन में ये देख सकते हो. So this is internode, and this part which divides, this part which divides is called as node. Okay, it is called as node. So ये particular part में हमें क्या होता है, so every shoot apexes, young shoot apexes, apex is going to be generated. So young shoot apex is going to be generated. So we can say in banana also, in ginger also, and in all the plantlets which are taken, so there will be no arisal here. इधर कोई arisal of ये internode के region पे कोई ये नहीं होता. So we call so every shoot apex is going to be generated in the nodal region. So this is the statement which is not correct. Okay, which is not correct. और so इससे हमें क्या हुआ, हमें कुछ concept clear हो गए है ना. So we cleared some concepts over here. So कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा था, उसको याद कर लिया. So next, so आंसर मिल गया हमें, but last option देखते हैं. So water hyacinth, so it is also called as what? Water hyacinth is also called as Bengal tiger. Sorry, it's not Bengal tiger. So it is called as Bengal terror. Okay, because so it caused the havoc in the wetlands of West Bengal region. So water hyacinth growing in a standing water. So एक जगह standing water में हुआ तो क्या होता है? So it will definitely drains out the oxygen from the water and it leads to the evaporation because it comes over the land. So कैसा होता है, एक pond होता है, standing water है. So आप लोग देख सकते हो, एक standing water है. So इसके ऊपर water hyacinth है, water hyacinth है. So ये पूरा क्या हो जाता है, इससे भर जाता है. तब oxygen, whatever the oxygen is here, it will be used by this particular water hyacinth use कर लेता है ना. So we can say that no entry of oxygen takes place inside. So this statement also stands good. So your answer is, the answer will be, answer for this question is C, option C. Okay, option C is the answer. Okay. So we are looking at the second question, that is which one of the following is correctly matched. Okay, so that is which one of the correctly matched, which is asked in CBSE AIMPT 2015 का question paper में आया था. So we are looking at the examples, the organisms and their asexual reproduction types. Okay, so एक सही है. So the onion is equals to bulb, ginger is equals to sucker, Chlamydomonas is equals to conidia, and yeast is equals to zoospore. Okay, so which one correct? So answer, onion is equals to bulb. The answer for your, one minute please guys. I'll just take a pen over here. Yes, okay. So we are looking at the onion equals to bulb. Yes, so bulbil के तरह का एक bulbil जो होता है, bulbil की तरह एक asexual reproduction process होता है जो buds से किया जाता है, उसको onion भी हम example में ले लेते हैं. So answer for this question is option A. Okay, option A. So then why, let's see why these three are wrong. क्यों wrong है ये देखेंगे. Okay, let's see why these things are wrong. So ginger, you all know that ginger ಶುಂಠಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So ginger is one of the type of asexual reproduction which takes place through the stem. That is which type of stem? Underground underground stem, where the young individual is going to, we have to give this particular type of asexual reproduction takes place, right? Yes, which takes place in the nodal region. New shoot is going to be arrived. Then let's come to the chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. So chlamydomonas is a type of, they will not do the asexual reproduction through the conidia. Conidia जो करता है वो है which one? Penicillium. Penicillium is one of the individual which produces conidia. तो chlamydomonas कौन सा करता है produce? Chlamydomonas is a type of which produces zoospore. Okay, so that's why it is not the right answer. Then last one is yeast. Okay, yeast क्या है? yeast से क्या करेंगे हम? So yeast is a type of individual which reproduces asexually through the process called as budding. Okay, budding से ये division होता है, asexual reproduction. So zoo source से नहीं होता है. That's why it is also wrong. These three are wrong and the answer is bulb. Okay, this is the second question which were. The third question is which of the following is not correctly matched? So we have to focus on here. The not correctly matched we have to focus. Okay, so this question has been asked in the CBSE AIPMT 2015. So here we have been given the examples, the organisms and what type of asexual reproduction they are going to perform. It has been given here. So 4 options are given. The first option is offset. What is water highness it performs offset. Okay, and rhizome type of asexual reproduction takes place in banana, and binary fission is going to take place in sargassum, and conidia is going to take type of asexual reproduction is going to take place in penicillium. Okay, we have to find which is not correct. So यावदु तब कोटिदारे which कौन सा गलत दिए वो हमें पकड़ना है और उसको डिलीट करना है. So okay, offset is what type of reproduction phenomena, asexual reproduction, which is performed in water hyacinth, which is also called as, this particular individual also called as Bengal terror. Okay, Bengal terror. So this Bengal terror, so it produces the individual or the young one through the type of offset reproduction. It is a true, because always the mother plant is connected to the offset type of where the mother plant is always connected with the daughter plant, and the daughter plant again grows into mother plant, and there will be growth of again another one. So this will make a chain of mother and daughter plants, and it will be covering all the complete wetland, so which regulates or which decreases the amount of oxygen present in the water body, and there will be no extra or no inclusion of water body oxygen takes place inside the wetland. So it is the right answer. What we are looking at is, this is the right answer. Then rhizome banana. So banana has a type of, it is a rhizome actually. The roots are it's underground stem which is known as rhizome. There is nothing we can if you cut out the rhizome from the banana, and if you go and put it in another habitat, so it will grow there also. So if there is a suitable condition, so a young one is going to be generated. So ಹೊಸದೊಂದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So rhizome ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಬಾಳೆಗಡ್ಡೆ, so ಬಾಳೆಗಡ್ಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So उसको हम कर सकते हैं, और वो होता भी है, वैसा ही डिवीजन होता है. So then comes binary fission. it is done in sargassum. I think or it is the wrongest answer which we are seeing here, the wrongest match we are seeing here, because the sargassum is a type of organism which is found in seas, and it grows there enormously. That's why they are called as seaweeds, and they doesn't belong to the unicellular organism. It is a hydrophyte. Okay, it is a hydrophyte. So there will be no binary fission is going to take place. Binary fission only takes place in the unicellular organisms, like which one? Amoeba. Okay, in amoeba this is going to be happening. So this is the wrongest match which have been given, and you all people know that the fourth one is conidia. The conidia type of sexual reproductive structure is released by penicillium during the unfavorable conditions. Okay, so this is the which is not the right match is our question. For the question number 3, the answer is C. Okay, so we will move to the next slide. Okay, so the last question of this, okay, and the simplest one, it is not being given anywhere. So just I have picked a question and I have made up a question, and I am just want to discuss this question because it is very important. For most probably it is a repeated question in NCERT, CET also it has been asked a lot of times. So clones are what? So just tell me the definition of clones. They are morphologically similar. The options you can see: morphologically similar individuals, genetically similar individuals, both A and B, none of the above. So we will take this off as we have studied the clones in the before all the videos which I have uploaded. So we have studied it. So this none of the above is the wrongest answer. Okay, none of the above is the wrongest answer we are going to look into. So we have left with the 3 answer. So they are morphological similar. Yes, all the clones which look same as that of their parents, right? So that's why they are morphologically similar. Morphology is the physical characteristics what we are looking at, and with that they are genetically also similar. Isn't it? They are genetically similar. That's why all the genetical characters are responsible for the production of morphological characters. So that's why all the genetical character also matches with the parents. So that's why the answer for this question is C. So we are going to look into the both aspect. Okay, so that's why this is the right answer. And if you go into tick any one of this, you are going to lose, because they are morphologically also similar and they are genetically also similar. That's why the answer is both A and B. So thank you for listening to my patiently for my class. So like this videos will be coming in future also, so as the progression in the syllabus goes on. So that's why like that itself this particular session is also going to move on. Okay, so thank you, and if you like the video, please share and push the like button, and please recommend these videos to others so that they can subscribe, and also they can watch these videos and learn from it and crack the NEET exam. So if you haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe it. Okay, and bye.